Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can match cut audio in CapCut with the photo or videos. So here I'm using photos and I already add 5, but you can always add more. And after that, you can just add the audio that you want. Click on this button, add audio, and then choose the source. So let's say I'm going to just use from the CapCut. Okay, select the one you want. For example, in here I'm going to choose this. Click on the plus icon after that and just mark the beats by clicking on the audio and find beats, the one with the flag icon. So here I'm going to just auto generate from a CapCut. Now CapCut will adding the beats into the audio, so just wait until it's done. Okay, you can see the mark yellow, the mark dot here, the yellow dot here is the beat, so you can just follow the marks here to sing the photos or video. Click on the check icon. Now just split or trim the photo or video following the yellow dot like this. Okay, just trim it like so. Then you can split and delete the rest of the audio. So this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.